Alright, so here we got a quick video on servicing a high efficiency boiler. Note, this does not include every single step required. I have listed some of those below in the description. Here we have a little bit of buildup due to corrosion from the condensate and the products of combustion. We're going to give it a quick scrub between the fins and a nice hose down. You want to make sure you get as much of the buildup out as possible to allow for proper flow of flue gases and proper heat transfer. After washing everything down, make sure to clean out and inspect your condensate collection pans. I've found garbage thrown down by kids and dead birds that have made their way down through the vents. Just going to button this back up by bolting on all the access panels. Here's cleaning out the condensate P-trap. It's full of all aluminum shavings and all the corrosion I washed down. If your P-trap fills up and blocks condensate flow, your boiler will lock out on a pressure switch. Here's a picture of the neutralizer media, which brings down the pH of the acidic condensate. So here's the burner tube going back in after it's already been washed down. You gotta be careful not to damage it while putting it back in. So here's your blower motor and your venturi tube where your gas mixes with your forced air. Here's putting on some tubing that connects to some pressure switches, and we'll put this motor back in. Here's the ignition assembly with the igniter on top and the flame sensing rod on the bottom. After putting everything back together, I check the flame signal, check the safeties, and do a flue gas analysis to ensure proper operation of the boiler. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos like this.